SAR 1, 1956 Nash Rambler Ambassador, $800 Arlington. Here's a unique barn find. The 1956 Nash Ambassador, a vintage sedan that's been stored in a barn for over 20 years. This car features a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. While mostly rust-free and retaining all its stock parts, it's missing the rear spare tire. The glass is intact except for the front passenger window. The front drum brakes are seized, but the rear ones are functional, and the tires still hold air. Included with the sale are the original keys, a technical service manual, owner's manual, and additional documents. This green classic has a clean title, making it an affordable project at $800. 2. 1968 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 convertible, $2,650, Palmdale. This rare 1968 Oldsmobile Delmont 88 convertible combines factory black paint with a red interior. It's powered by a 350 CID V8 engine and comes as a complete car, though it needs a full restoration. There's rust on the floor pans, but the body remains mostly intact. The car is being sold as is, with no parts available for separate sale. A clear California title is included, priced at $2,650. This convertible is a potential gem for classic car enthusiasts. 3. 1962 Oldsmobile 98 Skyrocket, 500 Tampa. Up next is a beastly 1962 Oldsmobile 98 Skyrocket. This four-door sedan features a 394 SI 330 horsepower V8 engine with ultra-high compression, dual exhaust, and a hydromatic transmission. The car runs but requires brake work before it's roadworthy. The body is in good shape with only minor rust on the rear lower fenders. Inside, the trunk and underside are in great condition. A clean Florida title accompanies this running project, listed at $4,500 with potential for trade offers. Four, 1977 Chevrolet Camaro. This 1977 Camaro project car is being sold as a rolling body with no engine but retains its automatic transmission. The car has some rust on the lower quarters and driver's floor pans, but comes with a Z28 hood for an added performance look. With a clean title, this Camaro is a blank slate for customization or restoration at $1,500. 5. 1973 Oldsmobile Toronado, $2,700, Long Beach, Seal Beach. Here's an all-original 1973 Oldsmobile Toronado with only 67,000 miles. This one-owner car has been stored since 1993 and is now ready for restoration. The car starts, runs, and moves, and the interior is in good condition. The sale includes a 455 CI engine, automatic transmission, and brand new custom Boyd rims. With a clean title and no DMV back fees, this is a straightforward project for $2,700. 6. 1970 Austin America, $600, Redwood City. For just $600, you can own this quirky 1970 Austin America two-door sedan. This car has 45,000 original miles, but hasn't run since the 1990s. And the floor pans are completely rusted out, and the car is sold on a bill of sale as the title is missing. Ideal for parts or a challenging restoration, this compact classic needs a dedicated enthusiast. 7. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, $2,250, Gardena. This 1965 Plymouth Barracuda Commando Edition is equipped with a 273 V8 engine and a 904 automatic transmission. While the engine is seized and there's rust in the rear floors and quarter panels, the car retains all its hard-to-find trim. The glass is intact except for the windshield. With a clean title, This Mopar A-Body Classic is a great entry into vintage muscle cars at $2,250. 1980s Custom Cadillac Seville, $7,500 Largo. This custom 1982 Cadillac Seville stands out with a 4-inch chopped top, shaved door handles, and a custom front bumper. Powered by a 4.1-liter V8 engine and overdrive automatic transmission, this car has 95,500 miles. Inside, the light tan leather bucket seats provide ultimate comfort, while the jet black exterior features a purple pinstripe. Modern upgrades include air conditioning, power options, and new performance radial tires. A book documenting the restoration is included. Priced at $7,500, this Seville combines luxury and style. Number 9, 1968 Chevrolet Impala SS396, $19,995. Experience the power of the 1968 Chevrolet Impala SS396, featuring a 396 Ci V8 engine and automatic transmission. This classic sports a red exterior, black vinyl interior, and modern touches like American Racing Special Edition wheels. The odometer reads 91,670 miles, and the car remains a head-turner despite minor imperfections. Whether you're cruising or showcasing it at a car meet, this American muscle icon is listed at $19,995. (10) 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, $35,000, Trussville. This 1969 Camaro comes factory finished in Le Mans blue with a white vinyl top and houndstooth interior. It's equipped with a small block V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and 12-bolt rear end. The car runs and drives well, with solid floors and minor rust in the trunk. Upgrades include deluxe door panels and new carpeting. Offered at $35,000, this Camaro is perfect for collectors or those seeking an iconic muscle car. 11. 1968 Shelby GT500KR, 4-speed, $120. Finally, we have a rare 1968 Shelby GT500KR in lime gold, one of only 24 made in this color. This R-Code Shelby features a 4-speed manual transmission and retains the correct stamped engine block. Off the road since 1986, it's a complete restoration project with a clean title. At $120,000, this GT500KR is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for serious buyers.